In front of me is HUAWEI Enjoy 70X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and tapping on biometrics and password. Then tap on lock screen password and tap on change password type to pick one of those options. Then create it, repeat it to confirm it, and hit done. Following that, tap on add or cancel in fingerprint pop-up and go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!